Hi everyone, in order to set up the fonts that we just downloaded, we have to go first of all in the project view and we have to create a couple of folders. So as you can see right now inside this app folder, we don't have any folder that says assets. So we're just gonna go and we're gonna right click on this app folder and we're gonna go to new and then to folder and then assets folder. Okay, so that's the one that we want to select. And then I'm just gonna accept this default. And as you can see, I have this folder created. Some of you probably have it already created, and as you can see, it doesn't contain anything. We just want to go and right click it again, and then we're gonna go to new, then we're gonna create a new directory. Okay, and we're gonna be calling it fonts. Okay, and inside this fonts folder, we're gonna be dragging and dropping our .ttf files. So those are the ones from for the fonts. So I'm gonna go here in the downloads and fonts. Okay, and I'm just gonna open this. I'm gonna take this regular TTF file and then this oswaldbold.ttf file. So in order to select multiple files once, you just want to command click them if you're on a Mac, or just control click if you're on a PC. So I'm just gonna hold command and then I'm gonna select this one, and also I'm just gonna take this crimson text italic. And so when we have them, we just want to drag them and drop them inside this fonts folder. Okay, and as you can see, I'm just gonna accept this dialog box, and also we're gonna accept these defaults. And so right now we have them over here, so we can reference them. And I'm just gonna show you in the next video, as we will go to main activity, and I'm gonna show you how to get the elements and also how to apply these fonts. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.